Yep, that's what time it is. It's time to feed the cats. Because, as you may know, if you saw yesterday's vlog, I'm alone in the house this weekend, anyway. Stop meowing and come up here for your food if you're so flitting hungry. What a retard. I can just put that there. You've already seen the cat food, haven't you? What do you want? Where's Dusty? Chink the bowls together. That's the way to call a cat. It's kind of strange, really, isn't it? Probably isn't. I mean, cats have memories too. It's just like, how do they remember the sound? You know? They hear the bowl, they hear the sound of this particular type of bowl, and they come running, usually anyway. Cuddles has at least. He's the fat one. No, Dusty's the fat one. Because if you give him just one bowl of food, then Cuddles will start, but Dusty will shove him out of the way. And then Cuddles goes plodding off, and probably comes back later. Because Dusty is the woman. And you know what women are like. God. What's that supposed to mean? Nothing. Pipe down, Sonny Jim. I think here comes the fat girl. The pudgy woman. Right, there we go. Cat food actually smells really nice. I kind of tempted to try some, but of course I'm not going to. It's disgusting. Look, here you go, Cuddles. Food, food, food. Oh, there's Cuddles. Wait just a sec, Dusty. There you go, Dustoid, with your glowing eyes. Yeah? Cuddles is having a snack. Now you can have yours. Go on then. Yep. I think maybe she wasn't ready for it. She's usually down immediately. No, not that one. Not that one, that's the old one. This one. Not this one. Food. Oh, she's going for a drink first. Cutie, look. Food. Eat up. There we go. Sloppy sound effects of eatage makes me hungry. I have a curry. I might just have a curry later. Yep. Sorry about that. Okay, the cats are eating. My job's done. I'm about to head back to the computer and continue talking to the thing that is really quite wonderful and lovable. And now I'm going to stop the video, maybe. Bye!